Welcome back to the show. I'm Gaard Swanson. If you have your dream kitchen, but something still doesn't feel right, then it probably has to do with your cabinet space. Turning a fabulous kitchen into functionable makes a huge difference. That's exactly why one viewer called on our sponsor, ShelfGenie, for help. Every single day, you'll find Shelly Noftle in her new kitchen baking away, making something special. This is where she unwinds, finds her zen. But something was missing.
I mean, it's a beautiful kitchen, but it has really deep drawers. And so I was stacking everything on top of each other. And it was still great, but it was just inconvenient when I needed to get at things.
Shelly's drawers and shelves were simply dysfunctional for her lifestyle. So after doing some research, she called ShelfGenie to perfect her new beautiful kitchen.
There's always a way to improve. A lot of these new builds, they have really deep drawers, so it works out well if you're gonna have pots, pans, maybe appliances, but there can be a lot of loss of vertical space for smaller items.
Michael and Shelly got right to work, first starting with ShelfGenie's 3D modeling system, giving you a sneak peek of what your new shelves will look like.
So we've got the stove area here, we've got your spices up on that, that top drawer.
That is awesome. I can't wait to use that. That's gonna be amazing.
Our goal is to really ask the right questions. It's not me just coming in and saying, hey, this is what I would do here. It's how is Shelly using the space, and how is that gonna work for her? Because the way she uses it might be different from the way that I use it.
Being able to see that 3D model was super helpful. Especially being a visual person, I could see how the drawer within a drawer would work and how it would be able to function, so it was really nice.
Once the plan was figured out, ShelfGenie did their magic, installing these life-changing shelves.
Hey Gaard, let me show you some of my favorite things in the kitchen.
Now, when you say favorite, you have a whole bunch of favorite things now.
There's like 20 of them, but one of my favorite things are these drawers that you just press them like this and then they bounce back. And so I can store so much. Like there's these deep bowls, and then up here I have my platters. So.
And if you didn't have this drawer here, this would be super dysfunctional.
It was super dysfunctional.
Yeah.
They were kind of stacked up. Something chipped, I think. So yeah. And then this is the spice drawer.
The spice drawer.
Yeah.
All right, quickly find the mint. Where is it? I know
it's
you're organized.
It's alphabetical.
Where's the mint?
It's like right there.
Right here.
Yeah, there you go.
There were lots of little cool things that that we did that you don't see in every project. One of my personal favorites is the trash can, where we attach 2 doors to it. You'll see a lot of times we do 1 door. I didn't know if we could do it before this. Now I know that we can.
ShelfGenie even customized this drawer, building small storage squares to keep little things in order. But there's a lot more to this kitchen now.
And then let me show you these amazing pull downs that we have.
Wow.
Yeah, so they just, like I said, I'm kind of on the shorter side, and so
how convenient is
I know, it's amazing. So we've been able to use this middle shelf, which we weren't able to do before.
It's amazing what ShelfGenie can do to a kitchen, isn't it?
It is really amazing. They've just made it so much more functional, and I've been able to fit so much more in the kitchen. So.
Making life so much easier, right?
Making it so much easier, yeah, it's been wonderful.
It's extremely satisfying. I mean, customer service it's something that I love to be able to provide, and to see the smile on the face, to hear the phone calls, to visit in person, and just get feedback is very satisfying.
ShelfGenie has been amazing to work with from beginning to end. Very responsive, super professional, and very quality products. Like they're honestly probably better products than my actual cabinets.
ShelfGenie's offering a free professional design consultation and free installation for the first 15 callers right now. Call the number there on your screen, 206-929-4954, to take advantage of this special offer. There's also more information at shelfgenie.com/Seattle Refined.